In this video, I'm going to show you how to type in a referral code on Cash App. Using a referral code is a great way to get started with Cash App because both you and the person who shared their code can earn rewards, making it a win-win situation. The first thing you'll need to do is open up the Cash App on your device. Once the app is open, look at the very top right-hand corner of your screen and tap on the profile icon. This will take you to your profile settings. Now, scroll down until you find an option that says Enter Referral Code. Go ahead and tap on that. A new field will appear on your screen where you can type in the referral code that was shared with you. This could be from a friend, a family member, or even one you came across online. Just make sure you enter it carefully with no typos, because if the code isn't typed correctly, you won't be able to claim the rewards. After typing in the code, simply tap Enter to confirm. Once you've done this, your referral code will be successfully submitted. So, what happens next? If the code is valid and it meets the requirements set by Cash App at the time, you'll see bonus cash added directly into your account. The exact amount of the bonus may vary depending on the current promotions running, but it's always a nice perk to take advantage of. And that's all there is to it. That's how you type in a referral code on Cash App. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.